Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in posture and hand placement so you can build speed without strain. Place your fingers on the home row, left ASD, right JKL, and keep thumbs near space. Once done, run a 10-minute routine, 5 minutes practicing accuracy, 5 minutes pushing tempo. This prevents ingraining mistakes before speed. Make sure to use a single, consistent keyboard layout. Mixing habits wastes time. You'll feel more control and fewer errors when your foundation is exact. You now move into specific exercises that train muscle memory for common patterns. Practice home row repeats, then bigrams and trigrams you see often, and include number pad patterns if relevant. Once you can hit targets reliably, increase your speed goal by about 5% per week while keeping accuracy near 95%. Faster without accuracy is wasted. Make sure to alternate concentrated 25-30-minute sessions with short breaks, because rest consolidates learning and prevents sloppy typing from fatigue. You finish by bringing speed into real tasks and fixing lingering issues. Test yourself with timed transcription or coding passages for 10 to 15 minutes to see how well drills transfer. If you notice excess finger movement, shorten travel and correct any anchor drift. Small angle tweaks to the keyboard can help. If errors increase, back off speed by about 10% and redo accuracy-focused drills until reliable. This cycle of test, refine, and retrain is the only way to gain lasting speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.